everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is January 9, 2019. It's January. This is our IVF month, so I'm just waiting for my second day of my cycle. Then we will start the workups for the IVF. Last year, 2018, we had 3 failed IUI and then we decided to do the IVF. The third failed IUI, I think that was in August or September, I can't remember. And the doctor said if we're going to try the IVF, we are good to go. We can start anytime. But my husband and I decided to have some rest for at least 3 months. October, November, December, I had sessions of acupuncture twice a week. So my husband and I were taking supplements. The doctor prescribed me some supplements like folic acid and also DHEA. They call it DHEA. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it is DHEA to improve the egg quality. And also she prescribed me CoQ10. And by the way, my husband and I, we've been taking CoQ10 for years now. I think around 3 years. And the folic acid, I have been taking that folic acid for almost a year. And also I am taking USANA supplements, the Biomega and the essentials or cell essentials. Those are the supplements that I have been taking, and the doctor said it's fine. And also I did some modification on my diet. I eat healthy foods. And during that 3-month resting period, I still do track my ovulation. I am using the ovulation predictor kit. I bought this online. This cost me 500 or around 600 pesos, something like that. It comes with 50 pieces of ovulation LH test strip, and it looks like this. It's not bad, and also it comes with 30 pieces of pregnancy test. It's a good deal. And I am going to show you how I track it, but the one that I'm going to show you is the one that I saved here for future reference. So this is from my previous cycle when I was doing the IUI. I think that was in June. So it's already dried up, but I'll show you later. So alright. So I'm gonna show you later. So these are the strips that I saved. This ovulation test, these are from my previous cycle during our IUI back in June. It is already dried up. The lines are still there. I hope this is something helpful. So the date, as you can see here, the date was back in June. So for this cycle, I took femara, 10 pieces of femara, 2 tablets per day for 5 days. I started taking femara on day 2 to day 6, I think. Day 2, day 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. And I started tracking the ovulation on CD5. As you can see here, it's CD5. There is already a line, but it's very faint. That was 3:07 p.m. And on the day 6, as you can see here, the following day, the line is still the same. The line is still the same. And on day 7, it's still the same. The line is almost the same. It's still faint. I took that on 9:23 a.m. and CD8. On CD8, as you can see here, CD8 line is still faint, and on CD9 still faint, CD10, CD11, and on CD11 in the evening, 8:55 p.m. here, see, the line is getting lighter compared to the previous days. As you can see here, I'm moving it closer. So here's the CD5, CD6, CD7, CD8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know why it is light. I don't know why it gets lighter on the CD11, but take note of this. On CD12, look at this. I got the peak LH. It's 2 lines. the test line is almost the same color with the control line. 5:31 p.m. and 6:53 p.m. And since I am doing IUI this cycle, trigger shot, the pregnil shot, was scheduled on the same day of this CD12. So I discussed this to my doctor, and the doctor said that I still need to do the trigger shot. I still follow the doctor's advice. According to her explanation, in some PCOS patients, even though you have an increased LH or positive OPK, in some cases, the egg will not burst. So I just followed the doctor. By the way, the result that I've got for our IUI cycle, for this cycle, it was failed. I am just sharing it so you can see. I hope that helps. Alright guys, that's all for today, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here and you would like to follow my journey, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload new videos. And I hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.